Hey, so welcome back to our video, and today we're going to look at this product right here. Yeah, it's the indoor full motion Condomounts pillar TV mount. Alright, this is a full motion TV mount. And so firstly, you're going to take the straps as shown up here. Take the straps, put it into the main TV plate, and then gotta know this, man. This TV mount can be mounted on any types of pillars, right? Round, rectangle, any type of pillars, and then use the specially made ratchets to tighten the straps around your pillar, like so. Alright, it's pretty much very simple, but it's advisable to have two people to do it, so that you could, one person could hold the blade and another person could tighten the ratchets. So as you can see, there is no drilling required. So this is a DIY heaven right here, and no drills are required. And after placing the main plate, you're going to place the TV mount, and then do not forget to attach these vertical brackets onto your TV according to the Vesa size, alright? And then attach the TV to the mount, and you could run through the wires with this specially made cable slots right here, and you're done. That's it, guys. That's it. So do remember that there are a lot of knockoff products coming out recently, but remember, Condomounts is the first in these pillar TV mounting solutions. So remember to get your Condomounts pillar TV mount right now.